What's up, Curl Gang? It's your girl Lala Slim. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my deep conditioning treatment. It's very moisturizing and it also can help you grow your hair. If you guys are interested in seeing how I did it, keep watching. First, we're going to start with the conditioner of our choice. Mine is the White Rain Moisturizing Conditioner, coconut flavor. Next, we're going to add the oil of our choice. Mine is the Africa's Best Herbal Oil. I don't particularly measure these. I just do it based off what I feel like my hair really needs. I was just about to mix it, but then I remembered that we have one more left. This is the Olive Cholesterol Deep Conditioning Cream. I add that because I feel like sometimes my hair needs a deeper treatment. These deep conditionings are done once a week, every time you finish washing your hair. Now we're going to mix everything together until we get a beautiful consistency. I felt like I needed more conditioner, so I went ahead and I added some more. Alright guys, this is our yummy mix. Alright, so now we're going to section our hair into two, and then we're going to start the application process. I usually like to comb through the hair in order to make sure that I evenly distribute the product, but I didn't do it. Just in case you guys can't tell, I just recently trimmed the ends of my hair, and I trimmed it a little bit shorter than I usually would. Alright guys, thank you for watching. So this is kind of like the finished look after I just finished. I hate when I forget stuff. After I just finished doing the treatment. Alright, so I ended up braiding the hair, and while braiding it in the back, if you guys want to see how I did this, please put it down in the comments below and I'll do a video on that. But until next time, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to share. Bye guys, see you guys next time.